In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google Doc into a Google form. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type "How to convert Google Doc to Google Form" and press Enter. This will bring up a list of helpful links and guides. While you can click through those if you want more background, in this video, I'll walk you through the core idea so you can follow along without needing to read every article. Now, make sure you are signed in to your Google account in the same browser. This is important because both Google Docs and Google Forms are tied to your account, and you'll need access to both. If you're using a school or work account, be aware that some features might be restricted by your organization. So if anything doesn't appear as shown, that could be the reason. Next, open the Google Doc that you want to turn into a form. This might be a quiz, a survey, or a questionnaire you've already written out in document form. As you look at your document, check that each question is clearly separated, ideally with line breaks or numbering. The cleaner and more structured your document is, the easier it will be to recreate it as a form. At this stage, it's important to understand that Google doesn't automatically convert a doc into a form with a single built-in button. Instead, you'll be transferring the content from your doc into a new Google form. The search results you opened earlier will often mention tools, add-ons, or manual methods to help with this process, and you can refer to those for extra tips. Now, open a new tab and go to Google Forms. You can get there by searching Google Forms in the browser or by going through your Google Drive and choosing to create a new form. Once your blank form is open, start copying each question from your Google Doc and pasting it into separate question fields in the form. As you do this, choose the appropriate question type, such as multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes, based on the way the question is written in your document. Continue working through your document one section at a time until all of your questions and any necessary descriptions are in the form. When you're finished, review your form from top to bottom to make sure everything matches your original Google Doc. Then, you're ready to share it or collect responses using Google Forms.